Hi, what's up everyone? It's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So today's video, I'll be showing you one of the ways of landing gigs on Fiverr. Just note, please, this strategy is only available for few sellers because this particular feature called promoted gigs is only available for certain sellers. Okay, so if you are a seller, go over to your dashboard, look for this promoted gig on Fiverr. If you have it, then congratulations, this video is for you. So without further shalaye, let me show you how. So this particular feature called promoted gigs is a feature for Fiverr sellers to promote their gigs. You have to pay to be able to promote your gigs, so note that. Okay, and I'm going to walk you through this same process of how you can promote your gig. This particular feature called promoted gigs is just like running paid advertising. You know, you've heard of Facebook advertising, you have heard of YouTube advertising, you have heard of so many paid advertising platforms, but this particular one called promoted gig is for sellers in Fiverr, like Fiverr. So the promotion will be definitely restricted to this particular platform called Fiverr. Okay, so what proof do I have about this particular feature called promoted gigs? Have I used it before? Yes, of course, I've used it before. As you can see in this message right here on my Fiverr account, if you check here, you see that messages, this particular buyer, which is a VID buyer that came to me for a gig, was from the promoted gig tab. Okay, can you guys see it? Promoted. Okay, so any order or any customer that comes when we are running this particular advert on Fiverr using the promoted gig feature, will have to bear this particular badge, so you know that it's coming from the ads you are running. Okay, so if you have this feature, click on it, it will land you to this page. So first of all, you see that there are only 2 gigs available for the promoted gigs. Okay, they have a particular qualification criteria for qualification. So not all your gigs must appear here. So there are some gigs that are qualified in terms of reviews, in terms of sales you have made in the past, whatever statistics they use to grade that gig. Okay, you have that gig here. So in my own case, I have 2 gigs that are qualified. So here, this particular gig is what I want to promote. But let me walk you through, okay, this particular interface. First of all, you need a payment. You need to make payments. So you go to manage payments. This manage payments is where you need to add your card or your Fiverr balance. Like here, you said your Fiverr balance will be used as your primary payment method for your monthly. Your saved will be charged only when there is no sufficient funds in your Fiverr balance. Okay, so when I have, as a seller, I will have an available balance on my account. Okay, so they will charge my ad spend from it. But if there is no available balance on my account, they will not charge a card I added. Okay, so in my own case, I added a card already. So what I want to do right now, then let's talking about cards. You know, some people complain about not having cards. Okay, cards that they will use to make purchase other gigs on Fiverr. We're talking about Nigerian banks restricting Naira cards. Okay, so there is a particular platform called Get Butter. Okay, with Get Butter you can create a card. Okay, you can generate a dollar card. In my own case, I have a card created already. Hold on, so I'll blur out this particular screen so you don't see my card details. But over here you see that I have a dollar card. So you have to create a dollar card. Okay, and that dollar card, if you fund your account on Get Butter, okay, this will be a tutorial for another day. For those of you, if you want a detailed tutorial on how to use Get Butter, just let me know in the comment section. I'll make a detailed video on how to fund and do all of those things with Get Butter. Okay, so I will just fund my card, okay, with my Naira balance on Get Butter. So when I do that, then I go to Fiverr promoted gigs in manage payments and add that my card. Okay, as you can see, I added mine here already. So having done that, I want to choose edit daily limit. Okay, my daily limit, I want to be spending, $5 per day. This is, you can go with $2 a day, you can go to $5 a day, no matter your capacity determines like the budget you have on your own end. Okay, so it mustn't be $2. You can even go as high as $10 per day. So but my ad spend per day on this platform, because I'm still testing out the waters, it's just $5. So I'm just gonna save it. Okay, save daily limits. Then I'm going to go to that gig where I will open it up. I'll just click on promote, turn up this particular tab. Okay, then the bid, there is a bid here. So this bid is more like the pricing per click or per order. Okay, so if I'm able to land gigs, okay, if I bid higher, there are other sellers that are bidding for this particular, to appear on higher search using this bidding. Okay, if I bid $1, I'll appear on a higher search than like someone that has 0.5. Okay, so this is what this bid is all about. You can still edit it. Okay, you see, tip, bidding 0.5 or higher will help you advance gigs in your category. Okay, so to make it a bit higher, I chose 0.9, 0.5. Okay, let me just choose 0.5. Okay, 0.50, I think it's fair. All right, so I've just saved, because they say the lower bidding is for my category is just 0.35, isn't it? So I just 0.50, which is quite fair, and save bidding. So what I want to do right now is just to wait, because this particular feature is new, so there is no much control you have over this particular feature called promoted gigs on Fiverr. So you just wait for the impressions to build up. Like tomorrow, I will check the impressions, I'll check the clicks, I'll check the orders, CPC and all of those things, amount spent in a day, and see if I will get any message. Okay, so this is how it actually works. So I will keep you guys updated. Okay, if it surely converts. If I get messages, I will keep you guys updated. And if you need to read more about this particular gig feature on Fiverr, how it works, how promoted gig works, you can read all the details here. Okay, so if you have any question in the comment section, concerning this particular feature, let me know in the comment section. But trust me, it's one of those fastest way of landing gig orders on Fiverr. I've landed quite a few amount of orders from this particular using this particular feature, and I hope it goes well this time around. Okay, so this is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.